Did you know that you can create custom masks like this in xTool Studio using just the built-in tools? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can do that without having to touch anything like Adobe Illustrator or Affinity Designer. And you can create these custom masks for basically any type or any shape of vector that you import or design in xTool Studio. So hang in there and we'll get started. So if you select an image and you go up to edit, and you see you have the mask option under the tools, but the selection of shapes is limited, and you may just want to do something like a heart, and then you just adjust until you get the masking that you want. You adjust the size and all of that. Well, that's great, but how do we get this custom shape into this list? And that's the trick. So I'm going to remove this. All right, so to show this, I'm going to jump over to another canvas where I have everything set up. Okay, so let me collapse this. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to set this up so we can mask the portion that we want. And I want the image to be masked inside of the bottom part of the paw, the largest part of the paw. And if I just simply take the ornament, select it, hold down Shift, and then select the picture, you'll notice that you have the mask option up here. And you can actually just click this and it will use that shape to mask. But here's the problem. You see how the masking is inside of the paw shape, not inside of the bottom of the paw. So I need to do a little bit of work to this before I can get the exact shape that I want to mask with. So we'll cancel out of that. So the first thing we need to do to prepare for that is let's select the ornament, and then we're going to release compound. And I'm actually going to copy this and paste it so I have something I can easily come back to and pull from. So we've released the compound. Let's pull that up out of the way. And now I can grab just the shape that I wanted to use for the mask. So let's copy that and paste it. And then now we can position this over our image. And then let's now use the same process. So let's select the shape, hold down Shift, select the image, and then now select mask. And now let's just take and position this so that it looks good. We're not cutting off part of his face. And then when I'm happy with that, we'll just click that we're done. And then now we have the image masked. And the next step would be to simply just pull this over and place it over the area that we want it to engrave in. And we would set this up as an engrave, of course, and the rest of this would get set up as, actually let's take and select each of these marks, and we probably would want them to be maybe a score line, and the outside, and this little hole would need to be a cut. And then now we're ready to cut this out as an ornament. And this would get engraved on it. And I think it would look really good. So I hope this has helped out. I hope this is something that you can use to create custom masks for different types of shape or any shape that you're working with.